back to my channel. I am magician Anuska Sarkar and you are watching my channel Magic Only for You. So here I have two identical boxes. The red box has a green handkerchief. And now let's see what's in this yellow box. Wow, it's a Rubik's Cube. It's a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube was invented by Dr. Arno Rubik. He was a Hungarian architect and the year was 1974. Now let's keep these things back. And let's close the lids. Done. Now let's see what's inside. So this yellow box contained the Rubik's Cube, I think. Now let's see. Wow! It's the green handkerchief. The handkerchief had exchanged its place and it was in the yellow box. Then where is the Rubik's Cube? Yes, your guess is right. It is in the red box. Wow. So the handkerchief and the Rubik's Cube had exchanged their places. I think the Rubik's Cube loves this red box. By the way, what's your favorite color? Comment and tell me about it. By the way, my favorite color is green. What's yours? I'll be waiting for your answer. This was today's Rubik's Cube trick. I hope you liked it. By the way, I can solve a Rubik's Cube, so can you? Do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to like and share my videos. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon so that you can get every update of my upcoming video. And I think I will post my next video on next Saturday.